Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong try again on Spotify. So guys, when you have opened your Spotify and facing this type of issue, something went wrong, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to go back, and guys, after going to back you need to open your settings on your Android phone. So guys, simply you need to open your settings here, and guys, after this here you need to find app management, and guys, after this you need to search your app list, and guys, here you need to find Spotify. So guys, simply you need to search here Spotify, and guys, after this you need to click on storage and cache, and guys, you need to clear cache of this app. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, secondly you need to check your internet connection, and guys, if you have connected with strong internet connection, then guys you need to disconnect your internet, means forget your network, and guys, you need to reconnect it again with your device. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your apps Play Store here, and guys, here you need to search Spotify, as you can see. And guys, after this you need to update your Spotify app. As you can see here, I have not updated my app. So guys, if you have not updated, then guys you need to update your app, and guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on system, you need to click on reset phone, and guys, you need to reset Wi-Fi settings. So guys, simply you need to reset. So guys, if you are using mobile data, then guys you need to select that same in which you have mobile data, and guys, after selecting them you need to reset your system, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.